Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Fold 7, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, we will need to swipe down from the top right side of the screen, and then in this area right here, swipe down again, which will show you a bunch of toggles. Next, look for the Do Not Disturb mode, which I believe by default should be visible somewhere here, but if it's not, we can click on this pencil right here, click on Edit, and it's here for me. So I'm gonna hold it, I can drag it somewhere here, drop it, click on Done, Done, and it's now available to me right here. Now once you see this toggle in this specific panel, hold it the first time around and click on Details. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will actually function when enabled. Once you've gone through the settings right here, you can close this up and you don't ever have to come back here again, assuming you don't want to change anything. And then let's find the toggle once more, click on it, and luckily nowadays we get this pop-up every single time, so you can choose if you want to turn it on permanently for a specific amount of hours, which you can change right here, or basically until next day, or yeah, so that's next day at 11:50. So select whichever one you want. I personally like to select something like 4 hours and choose a timed one. So now, even if I forget about it, the device will turn it off for me after 4 hours. The next day, I think it's a bit excessive, so I just like to have it for a couple hours. Anyway, once you're done using it and you want to turn it off yourself, you can just find the toggle once more and turn it off before the timer runs out. And obviously you will need to remember to do so if you selected the first one until turn off, otherwise this mode will run indefinitely. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.